Guys, there's a mole here. Look here, look. Let's do it. Let's wait.
Okay, gaan. Spitaan.
You telephone. Putting castor oil.
What is it? So standing on the way, he can everywhere go. He's gonna now know that you saw here.
Het was nog niet zo lang.
Awesome.
So je moet daar onder goed met haar gaan. Je kan een spray rijden. En die krijg je nu weer.
Wat doe je nou?
That's how they say there's snails on the must take it off.
No.
See, I won't say he's my friends. He's my cousin, he's my friend. So guys, it's all for today. But I will put you guys on live if they come another one. Look, they can kill the shit as well. So guys, that's all for today. And go comment down below my skating stuff. So I guess I'm gonna be broke. I'm not gonna be famous. My cousin Liam and his friend Nashif, they have 1,004K something. So try to make me pause him. Bye. Look at this asshole standing here. See you guys. Look, here's my underwear assholes. It sucks, yeah. So I will put you guys. I will come on again if they come another mode. Look, here's my jacket. So bye.